how to find trends on Google Trends. So first, go to Google Trends, and then what you need to do is just click on the trending now button here at the top. So now you can see all of the trends right now. So if you want to make a filter, so for example, you want to see all of the trends now in the United States. So what you need to do is just click on this one and then search for United States. So you can see here, and you can also search by state. And for example, let's search for trends in California. So just click on it and you can see all the trends right now. So if you want to look for trends in the past 24 hours or 48 hours or 7 days, you can see all of this. So let's say we want to find trends in the past 7 days. Just click on it and you can see all the trends in the past 7 days. You can also edit it by categories, the number of trends, the trend status, and you can also toggle this on to show the active trends only. And of course, you can change or sort it by relevance or any of the things here: title, search volume, or regency. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.